Yo, what is up, guys? Back again with another recap. Today was a pretty good day. The day after election day, Trump was president, or Trump is president now, or will be soon. So we automatically know what's going to happen. We're going to get the Trump pump. Started around 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and we just never stopped. Had two tests of VWAP and just kept going. I was up $1,400 for the day, and I fucking overtraded late New York session, like just now, and I lost $700, and I'm really fucking mad because, as you can see, $700 puts me at 52,900. I was $100 and something dollars away from passing, $200 away from passing, and now I'm close to $800 to $872 from passing. So let this be a lesson to you. Don't overtrade, or over leverage when you're like when you just need $100, and that's exactly what I did. I've done it in the past, and I don't know what I was thinking. I was like, oh, I just need 5 points, and I got fucked up and overtraded. So yeah, discipline. This sucks, especially when I'm so close to passing, and yeah. But still going to be happy that I'm up $700, 770 across 3 accounts, and I'm up $300 on my live account. I took one trade there, and I called it good. So I just bought the opening the New York Open with 2 micros, and it ran up like 80 points. So that was amazing. And so that was the one trade I took on my live account. So yeah, so my live account is looking really good, ready to get a payout soon. Or not a payout, a withdrawal. I think I'm gonna go for Monday. Not Monday, Friday, and I'll get it Monday. I'm going to risk $100 on my live account the next 2 days. So both my wins could be $200 and $200. So I could get I'm either gonna get a $200 withdrawal on Friday, or an $800 withdrawal. So which is pretty good. We'll see how it goes. Usually I don't let it go to a full loss. I cut early. So, we'll see how that goes. But yeah, the live account's looking good, and $900 away from passing these accounts. Was that 200? But yeah, can't dwell on it too much. Shit happens. You can never be perfect in trading. It's really hard to control your mind. You just want everything right away, and that's just not how trading works. Consistency beats everything. So this week have been consistently profitable and making money. So just have to be happy about that. And I still have so many days to pass. So many days. I don't know why I'm rushing. I still have 21 days to pass. So even if I split that apart, the 900 into 21, let's see. No? Doesn't do that like that? Okay. I just need $42 a day. So I think what I'm going to focus on is just getting like $100 a day, $200 a day. Just focus on really nice setups and get that shit passed. So yeah, that's going to be the goal. I don't want to blow it. Last time I did evals was October 1st, and I blew it like 6 days in. I was doing really well again. I got to 2,600 and I blew it. So I don't want to repeat that same mistake twice. So I decided to stop trading, and I was like, okay, I need to record a video. So the numbers are set, and anytime I record a video, I don't go back and trade afterwards. So yeah, I just needed to get this video out. But yeah, that's a recap. Pretty easy day. Just buy the dip, every single time. Like dip, boom, dip, boom, dip, boom, dips, boom. Wait for a significant dip, or buy at the EMA or the VWAP, and you made money every single time. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next recap tomorrow. Hopefully we can get some good progress going in. All right, peace.